Hi.
Hi.
Oh my.
We're gonna make slime today. Whee! Yeah!
Oh yeah, fantastic.
It's gonna be hard, but it's also gonna be fun to play with when we're done.
All right. What are we making? White or clear? Well, actually, multiple sets of the ST and glue. ST and glue. So maybe just do white. You already opened it.
Yeah.
Okay. So first, this says add 1 level teaspoonful of this to hot water. 90 milliliters of hot water. Hold on. Time after time. There. Slink.
Okay. There we go.
I gotta get this crap, I think. Sodium tips.
So he's gonna get a spoonful of that stuff, whatever it is.
Sodium tetraborate.
He's gonna get a spoonful of tablespoon of whatever.
This is impossible to open.
He's gonna cut it. Oh, he's gonna cut it.
Where's the spoon? What are you doing with that?
Now he's gonna take a quick little spoonful of it after he smushes it a little bit. So,
What in the heck?
okay.
How am I gonna get a level scoop with all these chunks?
I don't know, but you're gonna have to figure it out.
Oh boy.
Okay, I think he's got it. Now he's gotta pour it into there.
Stir until consistent. Tap, 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 tap. Alright. Let's see. Next step.
Dad, stop talking like a weirdo.
Add 15 milliliters the white glue to 25 milliliters the warm water. Come on, I gotta figure out warm now. I just have to figure out hot. I gotta figure out warm. What's the warm water? Okay, I guess. Slunk. Now I gotta do 15 mLs of glue. How am I gonna do that? The glue's not gonna come out.
Alright, watch him pour the glue in there, everybody.
Oh, this is gonna take forever.
Just watch
Time
him
to
do
fast
it.
forward.
Okay, it's up to 15 now. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of glue.
This is way more of a science experiment than it needs to be.
A lot more surgery than my knee was. That cup has had water in it and now glue in it.
See.
Two things.
It's got 2 things in it. It's got 2 things. Oops. It's got 2 things in it.
It's got 2 things in it.
We're just gonna mix this bad boy on up.
Yep.
I guess that's consistent. Kind of looks like milk if you can see it.
Yeah, it does kind of look like milk.
Alright, what's next now? Add drops of the sodium. Stir between adding until you have reached the slimy glue consistency you want. Alright, so sodium tetra. What's this stuff? So let's suck some of that up. Put it in there and stir. How am I supposed to know when I have the consistency that I want? Oh, it gets thick. That's why.
Wait, let me see.
Here, spin it. Actually, yeah, why don't you spin it while I put this crap in there? Spin it around. Spin, 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 spin. Alright, let me see this, just so I can kind of gauge what this is like. Let me see. Look at that.
Is it ready for us to feel it yet?
I don't know. Let's just add a little bit more stuff.
A little bit more.
Oops, I wasn't mixing it. Uh-oh. La 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 la.
That's all getting stuck on the spinner.
Stick.
Stick.
It looks like those plants in the woods that sometimes have the white crap on it. It looks like somebody spit on them.
I've never seen those plants before.
I guess I don't take you in the woods enough. Alright, do you want to pull this out and see how it feels in your hands?
Alright.
Alright, give me those hands. Get those hands over here. Get that. Is that hand over here?
Yeah.
How is that? Is that sexy, or do we need to put more stuff in it?
I think we should put just a little bit more stuff in it.
Why? What's wrong with it?
It's all liquidy.
It's liquidy? Well, drop it back in then. Slug. Uh-oh.
It's stuck. It's liquidy, but it's also sticky. Daddy, can you help me, please? Sticky and liquidy. I'm gonna go wash my hands really quick. Do we have to make more, or do you still got some in that cup?
What? I dumped it out. You know this crap never works. La di la di la di la, la di la, la di la, la 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 di la, crippity clop, la di la, crippity 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 clop, la di la la di la, crippity
I feel like I know that song.
crippity clop, la di da di da.
Is it a Christmas song?
Nope.
Well, I know that song. I recognize it, but I just can't remember. Sounds like it's a Christmas song.
No, you don't remember what that's from?
No.
Your pink horse you used to have.
What pink horse?
Your pink rocking horse? You push his ear and then he'd do that song? Alright, is this better? It's not... I don't know. I don't know what slime's supposed to even feel like. I don't play with slime.
The camera's gonna get all wet.
Go clean it.
Is that all of it?
No.
I was gonna say, if that's all of it, it's not really a lot.
Yes, this is too sticky. How do I make it not sticky?
Is it still sticky, or did you fix it?
A little better. Kind of crunchy now, though.
Let me feel. Yeah, really kind of crunchy now.
Oh boy, now it's failing again. This isn't. It was decent. Now it's crap again. It's too sticky. Why does it keep getting too sticky? It comes out of the container perfectly. I wish I would do that with my hands, then it'd be good. Alright, this crap will have to be good enough, I suppose. Now what's next? We're gonna put, we want colors in it?
Yeah.
So how do they say to do this? When you are happy with the color, oh crap, we're supposed to do this to the glue? Dang it. No, you can't put color in that? Know that? Well, let's see, let me think. I got an idea.
Alright.
Put this in here instead. See ya.
I wonder what he's gonna do. Let's see.
Alright, so this looks like this is what our slime is so far. It's just a glob of... Looks like,
a glob of glue that you can hold.
Looks like either a glob of glue you can hold or like Arby's horseradish sauce that you can just pick up. Alright, next up now we're going to try to make this into snow and add some color to it. Whoops. Add some color. So, this says, put this whole pack in. Schlink. What does it say? 75 milliliters of water. Where's my cup?
What I did was my little. That's what I did with my
Snow?
little glob that was on my hands.
Snow.
So see all of this, guys? I'm trying to make it so that it's not really sticky like I did with the little bit that was on my hand.
All right, what color do you want? Colors.
Blue.
Blue?
Yeah.
Blue.
Uh-huh.
You're talking about blue?
Yep.
You mean like blue, right?
Yeah. Like blue.
I can't believe you.
Why can you not believe me?
I don't
Come on,
know.
Dad. Why can't you believe me?
I don't know. It just sounds cute to say. Right?
It just sounds cute to say you can't believe me. Wow, Dad. Wow.
Check that out. It looks like some ice cream or something now.
But let me see. Oh, yeah.
Alright, let's see. Now! Spoonful of instant snow to snow. Slap that bad boy down.
Right there?
Anywhere. Slap them on down. Okay, it says add a spoonful of this to it. Then we're gonna knead it in.
Add a spoonful of ice cream to it and then knead it in. Wow.
Yep.
I've got a little chunk right here for you, Daddy.
Pop it in. Okay, ready?
Give it a little popper.
Here, you need this one in now.
That one in there?
See. This stuff's cool by itself. I just want to play with this stuff.
Let me feel it. Oh yeah, I like it.
Here, knead it in.
Knead it in? Yes.
Yeah, it's almost done. We can probably just plop it all out in this last one. Just do that, scrape it out. There's still some more in there. It's not cooperating. Now, hold on. There. That's about it.
Is that all?
That's about it. I'll have to say, that's about it.
And it's about all getting on the table instead of in the slime, like a bad little ice cream.
Alright, that's basically it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we'll just zoom in on you doing this now. Whoa, yeah, ooh. Yeah, so that's about it. That's our slime. Here's their instructions. How do you want to look at this? These over here, blah, 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 blah. That's about it. I said, see ya.
Bye!